Been sitting. Good morning. It's Friday morning and we have a lot of stuff to do today. I'm super excited because 2 more days and then my kids go back to school. I'm so excited. It's been a good 2 weeks, but a long 2 weeks, if you know what I mean. So I'm happy to get back into a good routine, and today we got lots of stuff to do. I want to clear out the balcony because I have some junk out there that needs to go, and I want to finish just cleaning up the house a bit and catch up on some laundry, and then we're gonna go out, and it's full of snow. I think it was snowing. Yeah. You see there's some snow hills down there. Somebody's taking their car. So we're gonna do that. And if you can see behind me, my little office area. It's a little messy, but I gotta do some more cleaning. Like I have a whole box of junk there that needs to go, and I need to do some cleaning. But yeah, so that's the plan today.
It didn't work. Well, you're gonna pay for this one.
Nice. Woo. Okay. I already gave you a towel and stuff, honey. Nice, good job. Oh!
Over here, like, it was doing, when I went over here, it went over my arm.
Nice, good job.
Huh?
Is that one too heavy?
I'm doing this one.
Oh.
The red one.
It totally crashed. Nice.
I'm gonna make a pirate ship out of a pop bottle with rice and with a measuring cup and with a funnel and with pencil and a paper. Now I'm gonna show you how. Okay.
A little bit more, honey.
That much?
Because it has to be 1/3 of the bottle. And for the video's sake purposes, we've already made a hole here in the bottle to show you what we're going to do next. So tell them what you're doing.
And then we're going to put the pencil in there, and then we're going to put the flag on here.
Good. Good.
And we're done. Now put it on the water.
Let's see if it floats. There's a floatable pirate ship floating in there. Can you tell everybody why you're doing this?
Because our school asked, our teacher asked us to make a boat.
A floatable boat?
A floatable boat.
So it's a school holiday project, right?
It's a school holiday project.
Pretty cool. So I think you're going to pass. Because everything works. Good job, honey. High five. Woohoo. Hey guys, we just got our coffee and the kids got a hot cocoa. Now we're off on our way to the park to have some playtime. When I bring the kids out to get a hot cocoa, hot chocolate, and I like to get a coffee, and I like to walk down the roads that have all of the houses.
And
I love looking
to the park.
I love looking at all the houses and hoping one day I'll have one of my very own. This is so beautiful. Like the sun is down there, and it's cold, but it's a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So we're gonna go to the park, and then I'll give you a little mini grocery haul. It's just a few things that I picked up. You guys like your hot cocoa, hot chocolate?
Yes.
Yeah? Beautiful day, huh? You guys think it's cold?
Yes. Not that much.
No? Pretty, huh? You ready to go? You ready to go, eh? Alright, go ahead, baby. You too?
Yes.
Alright. Hold on, let me get you. You gonna go, baby?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm right here.
Whoa. Wow. Go down this slide. I still don't know about that.
You still don't know about that? Oh! Going head first, oh my goodness! Uh-oh, head we're upside down. Woo!
Whoa, it's so slippery. I try it like this. You're gonna fall.
Woo!
Watch out!
I think they're going down the slide backwards. Oh, I got him. Oops. Oh, how sweet. Little sister pushing big brother on the swing. Whoa. Honey, careful. He says it's awesome. Be careful, honey. You okay? You okay, honey?
Did you see me?
Yeah, I did.
Went a flip down.
Did you?
Is this one mine?
Mm-hmm. Mini grocery haul. So I got some non-fat Greek yogurt, plain. I got some extra lean smoked black forest ham, apples, and to go with the Greek yogurt, I got some frozen strawberry mango peaches, no sugar added, and I got a refill can for my Airwick thing. So that's alright, guys. Well, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed all the clips that I made today, and I'm going to start to try out these daily vlogs again, see how it works out. Monday will be a lot easier. Like I said, the kids will be in school, so I'll have more of a routine, because right now it's just kind of free-for-all. And I hope you guys had an amazing holidays. I hope you guys are having a great start to the new year. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.